Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect App Store with Apple ID. So guys, if you want to connect your App Store with your Apple ID, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go to settings on your device, and from here you have to simply go to your profile or sign in your Apple ID, and from here you have to simply sign in your Apple ID on your device from here. So guys, simply sign in your Apple ID from here, and after this go to the App Store, and once you sign in your Apple ID, your Apple ID will be automatically connected to your App Store on your device. So as you can see this, once you log in your Apple ID on any device, it will be connected automatically with the App Store. So as you can see this, my ID has been automatically connected with this App Store on my Apple device. So guys, all you have to do is that you have to simply go to settings and sign in your Apple ID from here, and then it will be connected to your App Store automatically. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.